Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Marvel Future Fight. First, find the game's icon on your phone or tablet. It usually looks like the game's logo. Give it a single tap to start it up. Make sure you have a good internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the game can load all its content smoothly. This initial step is quick and gets you ready for action. Once you tap the icon, you'll see a loading screen. This is where the game connects to its servers and fetches all the latest information. Sometimes, there might be a small update or patch to download. It's important to let this finish completely. Don't close the app or switch to another one during this time, as it could interrupt the download and cause issues with your game files. Just be patient for a few moments. After the loading, you'll typically be asked to log in. You can usually choose between options like Google Play, Apple ID, or even a guest account if you're new. If you have an existing account, simply select it to load your saved progress, including all your heroes and items. If it's your first time, you might need to create a new profile. This step ensures you pick up right where you left off or start a fresh adventure. Finally, once you're logged in, the game will take you directly to the main menu. This is your central hub for everything in Marvel Future Fight. From here, you can dive into exciting story missions, participate in special events, upgrade your favorite characters, and much more. Take a moment to explore the different tabs and sections to familiarize yourself with all the options available. You are now ready to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.